my channel. If you're new here, my name is Twitty and I love talking all things luxury, fashion, beauty, wellness, fitness, you name it, I love talking about it. But today we are talking about these 4 boxes, these 4 green boxes that I have here. These are 4 pairs of Bottega shoes that I recently picked up. Neiman's and Saks were having an amazing sale. I happened to be in store. I saw these on the sale rack. They were additional 25% off at both stores and I had to grab them, okay? Like, shoes are my babies. I love shoes, especially designer shoes. Like, I have no self-control when it comes to shoes. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I do not have self-control when it comes to shoes. So if it's a shoe and it's on sale, that's 2 of my favorite things. It's like, I gotta grab them. So I was walking around those stores. I started at Saks, grabbed 3 of these, was picking them up like infinity stones. And then I was like, let me go walk over to Neiman's and see if they have the same thing. Neiman's did have the same shoes in the same colors there as well. They only had 1 shoe that was a different color, and that's why I picked up 1 shoe from Neiman's. But otherwise, you could grab them at either store. And let's just go ahead and jump into what I got. Before I do that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, you're missing out on all the good stuff. And especially if you love luxury shoes, handbags, and clothing like I do, you definitely want to be subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's just go ahead and give this video a huge like, press that thumbs up button for this great haul that we're about to get into now. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so this first pair is the pair that I picked up from Neiman's. Again, all of the shoes were on sale and then marked down with an additional 25% off. So I can't remember the exact amount that I paid, but each pair was like somewhere between $260 to $280 each, which is a steal. This first pair retailed for $950 bucks. So to get that for like anywhere from $260 to $280, oh my gosh, yes, sign me up. I didn't even have to think twice about it. So I have a few other Bottega shoes that I've shared on my channel before. I love Bottega, they're so different. I love their colors. It's hard to get good all leather shoes in the beautiful colors that Bottega does. So if you're into color or if you're just into good quality leather shoes, I would definitely recommend that you check out Bottega if you haven't before. On top of that, their shoes are pretty reasonable in height and they're very, very comfortable. So when it comes to their shoes, I mean, you can't get better comfort than you can with the Bottega shoe. So those are 2 things that I really love about their shoes. Their shoes also come in these beautiful green boxes. The boxes are a great heavy weight. Picking up the boxes for the thumbnail to do all 4 boxes at the same time was truly an arm workout. Like, they are actually very heavy. So great weight in the box, and then they all come in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful like parakeet green color that is Bottega's signature color, which is amazing. So now let's get into the unboxing and I'll show you guys how they're each wrapped. I'm only gonna go through this for the first pair, and then for the rest of the shoes, I'm just gonna pull them out and show them to you. All right, so similar to the box, Bottega comes with these beautiful green dust bags. One thing about me that everyone knows, my essays know, I have to have 2 dust bags. I hate a shoe that only comes with 1 singular dust bag. I don't want both my shoes in there together, scratching each other up, sharing their germs, whatever. I need a separate dust bag for each pair of shoes. So I love that Bottega gives you 2. Every pair of shoes I've ever purchased from them, I've gotten 2 dust bags. These are green, but in the past, the shoes that I've purchased, it's been this white dust bag, and then the letters are in green instead of black. So you may get a green dust bag or you may get a white dust bag, but either way, I love that they come with 2, and they're great like heavyweight felt quality. So they're not flimsy or cheap at all. You can use these for all sorts of things. I typically don't keep my boxes because they're just like too big and it's too much to keep in the house. Like if I kept boxes for everything that I purchased, child, I would need a new house. But dust bags, I always keep those because I love them for traveling and storage. So let's get into this first pair. I couldn't remember what color is which and what shoe. So I'm so excited. This is the first pair and oh my gosh, look at these. These are gorgeous. So these are the Bottega stretch mules and they are in this gorgeous orange color. Like it's like a tangerine creamsicle color. And when I saw these, I knew that I had to have these. Oh my gosh, like can we just get into this color? Where else are you getting an orange leather shoe, okay? I don't know. I don't even know if you want an orange leather shoe, but I do and I love them. So each of their shoes come with the Bottega embossed here on the inside of the sole. And yeah, these are gorgeous. They have a square toe. It is a mule. And like I said, the height is reasonable. I know that some people say these shoes look like platypus feet or something like that, but I love each of my Bottegas. Actually, all of them in my collection are the square toe and I love them. I don't know if it's because I have a wide foot, so they're just very comfortable, but I think the square toe just also adds the perfect amount of like edge to an outfit, which you guys know I'm all the way here for. And then you add that pop of color and baby, like what are we talking about here? You are good to go. So this is the first pair. I picked these up in a 39 and a half. I'm a US 8 and typically in Bottega, a 30, Bottega typically runs true to size for me. But listen, we were dealing with the sale rack, so I didn't have my pick of choices. And surprisingly with these, because they are mule, the 39 and a half was actually perfect. It fits me well. I have no problem with them. In the past where I've gotten their heel shoes, this would absolutely be a problem because it would flop off the back of my foot, like the heel wouldn't actually stay on. But because it's a mule, I can get away with it. So if you need to size up in these shoes and you have a medium to wide foot, you should be good. If you have a narrow foot, I recommend staying with your regular size because these do fit very comfortable across the bridge for me, and that's someone with a wide foot. My mother has a narrow foot and her foot tends to like slide straight through these type of shoes. So if you do have a narrow foot, definitely stick to your regular size because the bigger you go, the wider this is gonna get and your foot's just gonna slide right through. But for us wide girlies who never have a chance at anything, this is the perfect shoe for you. You're going to love this. It's so comfortable. And like I said, you have enough room to get your regular size or size up if you need to. All right, so that was the first pair. Let's see what is in this second pair. Oh, I know exactly which one this is because I'm cheating and I'm peeking. All right, so same deal here. We got the dust bags. Also, probably some authenticity cards or heel taps, something like that. All right, so these are a bit different for me. I want your guys' opinion. Please let me know in the comments because I genuinely want your thoughts about these. I'm not gonna take them back, but I already got the shoes, I'm not returning them, but I still would love to know y'all's thoughts. Okay, so here is the second pair, and they are very similar to the first pair in that they are the square toe mules, but these have a wedge. Now, when I saw these, I was like, oh, these are cute. I like these, I wanna get them. But I was a little nervous because they have a wedge. Y'all, I am not a wedge girl. I'm a heel girl, but when it comes to wedges, like, I don't know, like I'm still young. Like, I like a sexy girly shoe versus like an auntie shoe. And so I was concerned when I saw these of like, if they are too mature for me, if you will. But then I was like, no, I want these because I think the wedge will be very comfortable. And on top of that, I'm going on vacation in a couple weeks. And I noticed when I go on vacation to like an island or warm climate, I always pack like all this like fancy shoes and stuff like that. And I end up like chilling and wanting to be comfortable and relaxed and all that good stuff. And I end up like not wearing those shoes because it just feels like you're doing too much on like this relaxed tropical place. So I thought these were perfect for especially those times where it's like I want to heel, I want some elevation, but I don't want to feel uncomfortable or like do too much with the heel. Like I just want something where I can like literally throw these on like they're a mule and keep it pushing. Again, the stiletto version of the mule are very comfortable as well, but I just thought that these were like taking it a step even further, that these are very comfortable. So these retailed for $8.50, I believe, and I got these in a size 39. Again, this was the only option that they had. The 39 fit me perfectly, and I really love these. Again, with these being leather shoes as well, these will tend to stretch and conform to your feet. So I really like that. They're already like super soft and comfortable. They smell really good, like a fresh leather smell. So they're just only gonna get better with time. And I felt like these were perfect for these mules to do it in like this brown leather. You'll see I got a bunch of colors, and what I did regret was that none of like the neutral colors were on sale. Like I would have loved this chocolate or black or like a nude color, and those weren't on sale because those are obviously the very like classic colors that will probably be in Bottega's permanent collection. So I was glad that I was able to find these on sale in like a good neutral color, because I'm all the way here for neutral shoes, so I can just like get a lot of wear out of them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like these. I feel comfortable in them. I'm definitely gonna wear them, and not just for vacation. Like I'm gonna wear these with little outfits and stuff as well. But I know they kind of look like a little grandma shoe, a little auntie shoe. I could definitely see somebody's mama, grandma, auntie wearing these to church or something like that. I don't know. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Okay, so let's see what is in box number 3. Lucky number 3. Okay, so here's a perfect example of what I was talking about. Same box, but you will notice that the dust bags are different. They are white and green. This has been my experience with other Bottega shoes. I'm just calling that out because with these being sales shoes, you probably won't be able to find them in the stores anymore. It may be very limited. So if you are planning on picking these up from like a resale market or something like that, I just didn't want you guys to be like, oh my gosh, my shoes are fake because they gave me a white dust bag versus a green one. Obviously make sure that you're buying in a safe way and from people that you can trust and all of that good stuff. Go through all the proper protocols. But just even with that, sometimes when you watch these videos, you can see like, oh, my details are a little different from theirs. Are mine fake? So just wanted to highlight for you guys that there are some differences in some of the accessories that come with the shoes. So with this particular pair, pick these up from Saks, just like the orange pair. This one has a white dust bag, and then I forgot to show you guys earlier that the shoes do come with extra heel taps. So as you can see in here, they have a little pouch that has my little extra heel taps in case you need to replace them. All right, guys, look at this color. Oh my gosh, this blue. I have no words. I literally have no words. I haven't worn any of these, so luckily, thankfully, since I know I'm touching all on the bottom of them, but I haven't worn these. These are a 39 and these were $9.50 originally. The Bottegas all come with these nice little grips on the bottom too, which make them very comfortable to walk in and also add great traction if you're on any like slippery floors or anything like that, or even if you're walking on cobblestone. These are amazing because that can be really annoying to walk in. But this color, I have no other words. Can we get into this? It's like a periwinkle blue, I guess. Like it's blue, but it definitely has some elements of like some purple in it or something. I don't know. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. And this is the regular stiletto heel style, and they are fabulous. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I have no other words other than the fact that I am obsessed. All right, so we're down to the last pair, and now would be the perfect time to let me know in the comments if you are afflicted with the same issue as me, where you have to buy the same style of an item in multiple colors. Like, I've talked about this many a times. You guys, if you're subscribed here, you will continue to see it many a times. There's no slowing down. Like, I have gotten better, but just, I'm not all the way there yet. And I don't think I ever will be, but I have gotten better. So let's just give some kudos to that. I'm so glad that we ended on this note. Like I said, this wasn't planned. I just was picking them up, opening them as we go. This pink. This is Barbie pink. Like, Barbie pink, gorgeous. I can't even. This color. Again, another 39, retailed for $9.50. So yeah, 39 was really my good size in these. I think I just had to get that 39.5 because that was the only option that was available. But this pink, this like Barbie pink, girly pink, if I had to choose one color out of all of them, like if y'all twisted my arm and was like, Twitty, you can only get one shoe, this would have been the shoe. The pink one is the one that I need to have. Like, look how gorgeous this is. And what girl doesn't want a pink shoe in her wardrobe? There's so much you can do with this. There's just so much. And I know with pink, sometimes it can be hard because there's so many different colors of pink and Barbie pink and all that good stuff. But pink is just like, can we now say pink is a neutral? Like, I think pink should be a neutral. It's a neutral for me, okay? Like, I just love, this is one of those colors that you could have on a white t-shirt and jeans and throw this on and baby, all of a sudden it's like, ooh, you just gave a little something extra there, okay? Like, I just love this. And then again, with the comfort of this shoe, you can't get this. Like, this is, the way that Bottega has been able to dye their leathers and do different colors, I feel like they're like the Hermes of shoes, right? Like, Hermes is known for their different, beautiful, vibrant leather handbags. Bottega is definitely that girl with the shoes. And I love that it's also like a seamless uniform color too. I hate when you get shoes that's like, this part will be a color, but then the heel is like wooden or something else. Like, I hate that. I love the fact that this is all like, I'm giving one situation here the whole time, fully all the way throughout, and the only part that's not that color is covered by your foot in the insole. So I love that. It is absolutely gorgeous, and for the price that I paid for each of these, what a steal. So I basically got all of these shoes for the price of like one of them, right? This shoe was $9.50, and I got them all for anywhere between $260 to $280. So can't beat that with a stick. So I am happy, and I'm glad to be expanding my Bottega collection, and with shoes that are actually like comfortable, functional, things that I'll wear, because I am good for buying something just to have in my collection because it's cute and not wearing it. Stay tuned for a future haul. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, chat with me in the comments. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know what you think about the wedge, how you feeling, and also let me know if you also love buying things in multiple colors, especially when it's a good deal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.